In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join CapCut Pro step by step on the desktop app. If you've been wondering how to upgrade, unlock premium features, and get access to the Pro tools inside CapCut, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and easy way. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful CapCut and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the CapCut desktop app on your computer and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account because your Pro membership needs to be linked to the account you actually use for editing. Once you're in the app, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. In some versions of CapCut, you may also see a Join Pro button below your name on the left side of the screen. Either option will take you to the same place, so choose whichever one you see on your screen. After you click it, CapCut will redirect you to the official CapCut website in your default web browser. This is where the membership and billing process happens, so don't worry if the app opens a browser window. That's completely normal. On the CapCut website, take a moment to review the available plans. Depending on your region and account, you may see different options, such as monthly or yearly plans, and in some cases you may also be eligible for a 7-day free trial. If the free trial is available for your account, select it carefully and follow the instructions. This is a great way to test out Pro before committing to a paid plan. Next, choose the plan that fits your needs best. If you're a creator who edits regularly, a monthly plan may be useful for flexibility. If you know you'll use CapCut Pro long term, the yearly plan may give you better value. After selecting your plan, continue to the sign-up and checkout process, enter your payment details, and complete the purchase or trial registration. Make sure to double-check all the information before confirming, especially if you are using a free trial, so you understand when billing may begin. Once the payment process is complete, your CapCut Pro status should automatically sync back to the desktop app. You usually don't need to do anything extra. If CapCut doesn't update right away, try refreshing the app, logging out and back in, or restarting the program to force the membership status to update. After it syncs, you should be able to access Pro features directly inside the desktop app. That means you can start using the premium tools, effects, and editing features available with your new membership. And that's how you join CapCut Pro on desktop. It only takes a few steps, and once your account is upgraded, you can start editing with the full Pro experience right away. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more CapCut tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.